Hi again all. So today I'm going to show you how to create visualization for top 10 product which made highest profit and bottom 10 product which made lowest profit in the same view. So using with sets. So for that let's start with the visualization. So first you have to drag your product name. So we have all the product name here, and then drag your profit into the text shelf. Just double click on that. So you can see now we have all the product name and we have profit for each product name in the view. So now just sort this product name by profit in the descending order. So just click on sorting and then descending, and then choose filled because we want to sorting by profit. So now we can see the profit in the descending order for each product. Now we want to create we have to create set. So just select the product name and click on the drop down, and then go into the create and then set, and then go into the top button by field, and we have like top and bottom here. So just select top first and 10 because we want top 10 product by profit. So you have to select profit from here. We have many categories, so just select profit and sums here, and just give the name this set like top 10 product, top 10 product, and click OK. So we have this field in dimension top 10 product. Okay, so same we need to create for bottom field, bottom 10 set. So you have to create like go into the product name again, and then click on the drop down, create, and then set. Or you can create with the another way, that is we have filled top 10 product. So just click here and create the duplicate. This is the edit one. We need to actually create duplicate, and just then edit the duplicate edit set for duplicate field, and again go into the top and select bottom from here because we need bottom 10, and just change the set name like we want bottom. So just write bottom here. So we have bottom 10 fields, and just click on OK button. So we have created one more field which is bottom 10, which is here. Okay, so now we have to create one calculated field. Click here, click calculated field, and just give the name like product by profit. Just give the name whatever you want, and write the script here. If top 10 product, then single quote green, else if bottom 10 product, then red. You can just give the else none or just end here. So this is the this is the calculated field which we have created. So just click on OK and drag it in the color shelf. First we have actually three colors here, one for null, one for green and one for red, and then again drag this field into the filter and remove the null from here and click OK. So now we have only top 10 and bottom 10 product. So you have to change the color so that we can easily identify which are the top 10 and which are the bottom 10. So just double click on that and click on green. I'm sorry, just give me a second. Green, and select green from here and click on red. It is already red, so you just click on the OK button now. So now we can see top 10 product in green and bottom 10 product in red. And if you want to change the font size and the formatting, just right click on the profit, click format, and you can just change the font size as whatever you want, right? And color we have already given for top 10 and bottom 10. So this is the way to create top 10 and bottom 10 in the single view. Alright, so this is the tabular chart. We can create this in the donut chart as well. So thanks everyone, thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos in my channel for Tableau. Thank you so much.